welcome back to part 2 of the Audi rebuild. So this is where we left off. I finally got the new in-color doors, both of them, rear and front, right here, covered upside down scratch. Got that piece that's dented up right here. Today we're basically just gonna drill out the spot welds, separate this top kind of portion of it, separate that one, cut it where we need to, align it, weld it in, and then just prep for paint. And that's the next episode. We're gonna prep it up, set all the lines, and basically be done with the car. So like I said, it's gonna be a short build, but this is all new to me, first time ever doing this, so let's learn. Alright, after drilling out all the spot welds, this should come off. There was some glue along there that I had to pry open, and then now I got this piece off straight. Let's cut the other piece out now. So I made the 3 cuts. Then I just have to take out the rivets on the bottom, and then we'll pull this piece off. Before we put the new one on, we're gonna put the doors on and check all the gaps, make sure they're all good, and then we'll put the new one on, make sure the lines are good, then we'll weld it all in. Right now, let's keep going with this, see how far we get. Got this garbage piece out. Got the new one right here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
First I'm going to try on the doors. Make sure the gaps line up on the top and stuff before I actually put this one on. But I cut it about how big it is, because then we'll put it up and then we'll fix it. But right now I'm just going to throw the doors on real quick, see how they go. And then, yeah, that's basically what we're going to do, put the doors on. Okay, so I got this piece off of the car. That's where the hinge bolts onto. And then I'm just trying to straighten things out here a little bit. And then I'm going to weld this new piece in. First, before I weld this in, I'm going to test fit the doors, make sure the gaps are lined. Then I'll weld it in completely. Right now I'm just going to tack weld it. And yeah, it's going to take a long time. So let's get to it. Alright, so we welded that piece in. The door now holds on and shuts. You know, opens, shuts, just like it's supposed to. Now I just have to put that cover on, and then I'll put the hinge on the back one, and then just weld that, and then basically we're good. Then we just have to adjust the lines. That's all done by the hinges. You just have to kind of get it about, and then yeah, I'm actually, it took me a while to do this, so I finally did it. It's all welded in right there. Just have to grind it down, make it look all pretty and stuff, and then basically it. Alright, so we got the unibody welded. Now we're just gonna weld this little panel in right here. I'm just trying to align it somewhat. I already made the cuts. You guys already saw that. And then we came here. But yeah, basically I'm trying to align it right now. Then I'm gonna TIG weld it. Then I'll weld it all the way through, you know, and then clean it up. Then we're gonna have to align the door marks and stuff like that. Make sure it's all even. And yeah, let's just try to align this thing first. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished welding the spot welds. I already put the doors on, you guys saw that. And then I aligned the gaps. Now all I have to do is just, I'm going to Bondo these areas because it starts burning really bad. So I just did the spot welds. I'm going to grind those down, make it all look pretty. Next episode we're going to be prepping for paint and painting. So I'm just going to sand this down with 600 and then paint it. That's for the next episode. So, and yeah, but this is going to be it for the episode. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this series, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this build. Alright, see you guys later.